First you need to open a Eclipse from a bat file. After that, just you can click to the file new PyDev project. Define your project name on here. This is a workspace folder. Location is below, right? And after that, you can see in the right hand side in Explorer there is a one folder is added. After that, just you need to create another folder to segregate here the scripting or Python files. After that, I can click to the new files like open directory .py. Make sure you have to mention the extension .py. Otherwise, IntelliJ is not working. So first I need to create a one template from here. Just I need to copy these things and the paste in our the Eclipse here. Okay, this is some shortcut for that. In namespaces, we added the OS. We added the details on here like work part is equal to the session dot part dot work. We added the details on here. So we need to find out the first work part. After that, I need to add the full path. This is the two variable. We have to declare it now. Work part dot full path. Work part dot full path. So I want to add some detail in the listing window. So first we need to define one function on here. So this is the def is declared for the functions like printing, prints, and in bracket we have to mention called as a what arguments. So now here we added the session. So what happened now? The session is declared under the some main function, right? It is not able to define as a global. So I need to copy this details into the main. So it is declared by the globally. So global how we can declare outside of that function you need to mention the declarations. The session dot then you can see here it is added log file dot write line. So we have to mention as an argument. Similarly, we mention the session dot listing window dot open. So first we need to open a listing window here. So first argument is defined in the log file. Second call is opening the listing window. Write full lines dot. And we define the argument as a what. Before that, just we need to add the UI in the main global variable. It is required. So we define a listing window. We have to define as a print data what. Instead of what we have to define as a full path. So I can go to the file property, copy the path, click to the play and just run it now. So what happens here? There is a one missing from our side due to some tapping. The line number is 9, right? log file is required called as a capital F here. Alright, so I need to save this thing and run it now. So what happens, you can see our file location is added with the file path in the listing window.